T-minus 4 days until Hawaii. T-minus 3 days until Hawaii. It is 2 days until I leave for Hawaii. 1 day until I leave for Hawaii. So close. So if you are planning a trip to Hawaii, there are actually a few things that you have to take care of to comply with the COVID travel requirements. So one of the main things you need to do is you need to take a negative COVID test, and it has to be done within 72 hours of your flight, no sooner, and upload those results to the Hawaiian government website. You also have to make sure that the COVID test is the NAAT test. It has to be through a Hawaiian government provider that they are approved with. So I personally am taking mine through Hawaiian Airlines, but I know you can go through some CVS's, some Walgreens, some Kaisers, and then you also have to fill out a health questionnaire on their website and just kind of get the details of your flight, where you're staying, if you've experienced any symptoms or traveled recently. I'm on my way to San Diego right now to get 2 COVID tests done. And then I am also getting my lashes done and my nails done. Okay, first things first, we're getting coffee. I have mom here today with me and little Sophie's in the back seat. Okay, so I got a buttered croissant. Mom got an almond croissant, and we both got a triple espresso with vanilla. And now it's time to go to San Diego.
Correct name and date of birth?
Yes, it is.
Okay, so what you're gonna do is roll up your windows, blow your nose really well. There's Kleenex in the back for you to use. When you're done, you discard the tissue and cut your window about 3 inches, and then she'll have you pull up and tell you how to do the swap.
Okay, so I'll just roll up my windows now.
All right.
Okay.
Just a long white stick in the bag. You'll tilt your head back 30 degrees. You're going to insert this nasal swab directly into your nostril. You're going to do 15 tweaks on each side. Ready? Begin. Sit face down in your tube. You're going to break off the excess stick, holding your stick so it doesn't fly out on you. There, and sealing the bag. Within 32 hours, your results are going to come to the email confirmed at Station 1. Have a great day. And
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good evening, my friends. Today is Friday night and my flight leaves crack of dawn, 7 o'clock a.m. Sunday morning, and I live about an hour and a half away from my parents. I have to drive to my parents' house tomorrow so my dad can take me to the airport. I still haven't packed, and this is everything that I'm bringing to Hawaii, and at least I'm organized, right? But I haven't started packing, and one thing I love to do before I leave for a trip is make sure my apartment is clean, so I come home to a clean apartment. And let's just say it is far from clean. I wanted to share with you, I won't go into detail of everything I'm bringing, but as you can see right here, I have lots and lots of bikinis. Some anime swimwear sets are in the mix here, but I won't tell you which ones just yet. And then I have some like lounge sets, my luau outfit, some formal dresses, some casual tops. I have some shoes that just came in the mail a few days ago. I'm still waiting for one. I don't think it's going to make it on time, to be honest. Good morning, my friends. It is Saturday. I leave tomorrow morning to go to Hawaii. I am very excited because both of my COVID tests came back negative, and they actually came back within less than 24 hours. So I took 2. I took one through Hawaiian Airlines and one through CVS, and now I just have all my packing to do, so I'm going to get that done right now. And I, of course, made sure to get my morning coffee because this packing isn't happening without this coffee. And why is my alarm beeping? I am finally all packed. I would say this probably took me about an hour, but I have in here all of my jeans and some dresses and like sets, and then here are all of my tops and pajamas, and then over here I have my toiletries, my jewelry, all 12 of my bikinis, a Lululemon fanny pack, my snorkeling gear, and my GoPro stuff. So everything fit perfectly in here. And then I do have some wiggle room in my carry-on, which I am happy about. But over here I just put all my shoes, which are just all sandals. So these are sandals, heels, sandals, sandals. And then I have my surf hat, a sun hat, and then a bucket hat. In here is my camera. And then in there is my makeup and all that good stuff. And then over here I have my personal carry-on bag, which I am going to do a separate video on to share with you like my travel essentials on the actual airplane. Okay, so I am all done. I packed, I have everything. Now what I have to do is drive home to my parents' house, and I'm going to stay the night there. That way my dad can take me to the airport the next day. So this is the car. I got a Jeep Gladiator, and you can take the top down, and I just need to put my luggage in the car. So freaking cute. Oh my gosh, I just got in the car and I'm trying to figure out how to adjust this. I've never driven a Jeep before, let alone a Jeep truck. And Angela's here, so I am about to go pick her up. I truly have no idea what I'm doing. I'm in Hawaii driving a Jeep with my best friend. So first stop is Safeway because we need to get some waters and some snacks and groceries for the condo. So getting that knocked out of the way first. We'll do water and alcohol.
Dial.
Okay, so we need water for sure. It's fine, it's fine. Ooh, chips. Yeah? Okay, should we do salt and vinegar or regular? Or Maui onion. It only makes sense to do Maui onion.
I was about to say, like, let's mess up the roof of our mouths.
Let's what?
Let's mess up the roof of our mouths.
Okay, how about we do Maui onion and then salt and vinegar?
Okay.
I feel like pretzels make sense. Me too. Should we get candy? The painkillers, because it's been rough. It's been quite rough. Aloha. Hello.
Monday morning.
Just know we have to check in tomorrow again, and then we need to get all this extra shit like bed sheets and stuff. We just checked in to our timeshare, and our favorite part about this whole thing, I'll do a tour tonight, but I just wanted to share right now that this place has an ocean view. There she is, there she is. So we're super hungry. I think we're gonna get McDonald's because we always try the McDonald's everywhere we go, everywhere we travel. That's our thing. We go to the Paris McDonald's, we go to the UK McDonald's, we do it all.
So we're still bumming it from the airport, and then we're gonna come back, shower, and refresh. Oh yeah, I wanna see the bedroom. Oh my gosh, they have rice and Spam. Oh, I'm gonna need a minute. I hope this guy doesn't. That'll be it. Thank you. Oh man, it's all blurry. Okay, so the first thing we got McDonald's, and we both got the same thing. Spam, egg, and rice, and a taro pie. So I'm excited to eat. I haven't really eaten all day. So real quick for the tube, we're gonna do a little condominium tour.
Try not to.
Oh shoot, you're doing that right now. At least let me get out of the way. Okay, I'll tell you
I don't
when.
know how to do this, if I'm being honest.
Oh,
Do I just pop it?
yeah, you kind of twist it and then it pops off.
Okay.
Okay, ready? You're good to go.
Okay.
Oh, I'm scared.
Me too.
Okay, so obviously this is where you first walk in, and to the left we have the bedroom. This is where my sister and I will be sleeping. We got our TV here, desk there, nightstands here, and then we have a pretty big bathroom, and I love that it has this shelving right here with the stone and a hair dryer, big shower, we love, toilet, some hanging stuff. I'm so happy they have a washer and dryer because it just makes your life easier having clean laundry. This super cute map of Maui that is gorgeous. I don't know who put this pretty best friend in my kitchen.
Oh,
It comes with the room, not every room, but this room.
Just this one specifically.
We have the refrigerator, full-on kitchen, like full thing, living room. And then we have the dining area.
And I'm about to demonstrate.
Oh yes.
Orange juice.
Tell us how
is
much
needed.
orange juice you're gonna put in there. I wish I had that on Snapchat. Yes, that is the tour. Angela and I are exhausted, and I think we're gonna take a nap until we have to pick up my sisters from the airport, because we've been up since like 5 a.m.